Hi everybody, my name is Dave. I'm a co-play from the Genesis Group, just making a quick market update. So yeah, Bitcoin, remember I personally said I would expecting Bitcoin to go lower. It did. Right now it broke down to 56,552. I was really hoping it would go down to 54. 54, 53. And we'll see how that plays out. And, one of the reasons I think I was talking about 54, 53, because if we go down to 54 here, you see this line maybe there. There's if I move it up higher, let's go to, 54, 53, there's like that, it's like this candle here. Yeah, it went down to, that was around 53 to 54,000 range, And so that's what I'm really looking at. And, you have some support here on this 53 to 54,000 range. So do I think it can still go a bit lower? Yeah, I do. I do. But I did buy in some altcoins. And that's that. Now, if I look at KuCoin, let me show you one thing I liked about KuCoin. Is you had this big pump up. And it's about where the candle made its next print. And it made its next print higher than here. It made its next print higher than here. So to me, it was good support. Here, it made a higher low. This is a lower low where I definitely bought in some KuCoin. It made a higher low. Now, here's the thing. If KuCoin to stabilize its price and it makes another higher low, this is another low, but it doesn't go down and break down this low, or as long as it doesn't break this low, and it makes us move up while Bitcoin, let's say if Bitcoin goes down to like 54,000, 53 to 54,000, and KuCoin doesn't make a new low and starts moving up, that's it. That 20th of a cent is going to be the low. You get what I'm saying? And so, yeah, right now, KuCoin is holding pretty good. And so we'll see. We'll see how KuCoin reacts to Bitcoin, One thing about Bitcoin, though, what I do see is if I look at it from the weekly, the RSI and the stochastic RSI, especially stochastic RSI, is about to hit like 0. You know what I'm saying? And so if Bitcoin could just stick around 50, maybe just poke into 54,000, but have a nice little bounce, just a little poke, and then start moving up, and then the weekly RSI starts moving up. Oh, you're going to see a pump, and it's going to be higher. Think about this pump here or here, and from here, boom. Well, what is that? That's like from here, and it just boom, look at the price. And so maybe here, look at the weekly here, you have a cross up, moved up, cross up, moved up, right? Went down, cross up on the stochastic, and look how it just moved up. It really moved up. And so now we have a move down here, and we'll see when it crosses up, and it should, when it crosses up, it'll take some time, but it'll make new all-time highs. Is what I think, could happen. So we'll see. Do I think Bitcoin can go a bit lower? Yeah, I do. But when this on the weekly, the stochastic RSI makes a move up, man, it's gonna be good. But I've been calling for this move down. I've been calling for this, and finally is happening, to me, it was just a good buying opportunity. And so, yeah, Coin is looking pretty strong now. This is looking strong. Um, Hopefully, you know, yeah, as long as it doesn't go under this new low. Yeah. And then, after that, for the rest of the year, to me, it's going to be just all uphill for Coin. It's going to be all uphill. Imagine this is 20th of a cent. Well, it just goes to 2 cents at 10 times. It goes to 20 cents at 100 times. You know what I'm saying? Right now it's at fourth of a cent. It goes to 4 cents at 10 times. It goes to 40 cents at 100 times. Do I think KOK can go past 40 cents? That I do. I do. Because the all-time high was at $7. I honestly, I think, it's going to be a pump and dump, but maybe Coin, yeah. Who knows? You might even see that thing break $1 or two. Who knows? Because that's how the market works. They like to pump and dump these coins. And so, can that happen? Yeah. And remember, I'm the guy that says back when Coin broke $3 something, I was like, yeah, it can go down to a penny, even less. And it did that. And as it goes down to, less than a penny. Well, it did, right? And since I'm the only one that said that about Coin that I know of, even from 20th of a cent, it wouldn't surprise me if Coin even passes $1 from here. It just wouldn't surprise me because the market will like psych this thing up. But when the bull run is over, they're going to smash, crash, and trash this coin. Why? Because that's what whales do. That's what big money like to do. And so, but right now, by the way, is reacting. Tell you what, maybe the bottom is in. Maybe the bottom is in. So, but we'll see. Now, if Bitcoin breaks down under 54,000 and it tests this, it goes down to 50. Well, not here, but this range here to the low 40,000s. Then yeah, I'm pretty sure Coin's gonna break a new low. Heck, Coin could break a new low now. Because it's an altcoin. You see that it's been trashed. So, smash and trash. So, yeah, it can happen now. But even now with this drop in Bitcoin. But this is a candle, one of the type of candles that I've been looking for from something like this that gives me a pretty good sign that, man, you know what? It's on. And remember, once again, no one said this but me when this happened. When this pop happened on the weekly, what happened? What happened here is because it landed here, it switched, it made a print here on the weekly, but I said it wasn't high enough. I needed to break above this candle here, which it didn't. So I said, yeah, I could hit new lows because it didn't print where I wanted, what I was hoping for. And it didn't make new lows. On the daily, it's not bad. But look at it even on the weekly. The weekly print isn't that bad. Obviously, it got right where at the peak is the peak here, right? So that's your resistance, which is near here, but it printed higher above, so it doesn't look all that bad. It doesn't look all that bad. You know what I'm saying? So, but we'll see. Right now, but because this Coin is a small coin and, they like to smash and bash this coins like Coin, I honestly can't say we've seen the bottom. Yeah. But this daily candle, to me, this was a really good looking daily candle. And so, yeah, I think Bitcoin could get a little lower, and you gotta hope KuCoin can resist now. And that's all I gotta say. Everyone, God bless all of you in Jesus Christ's name. I hope all of you are doing well. Remember, you gotta be spiritual. You gotta be spiritually healthy, mentally healthy, physically healthy. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I think will happen or what I'm doing, and I give y'all reasons why. Now I'm like more than 90% into the market. Bitcoin has dropped to the prices that I've been waiting on. In that last 10%, I'm waiting. Hopefully that thing could go down to 54, 53, yeah. Why? Because it went from 73,000, and if that thing drops down to 53,000, that's a pretty good significant drop. That's not a small drop. Yeah, that's not a small drop. So there y'all have it. And yeah, once again, do I think the economy will still continue to get worse? I do. It's crazy, and it's like a worldwide thing. So it's sad. Yeah, so I still think things will get worse before it gets better. All right, so work hard, do best you can, right? You want to surround yourself with the right people, and that's that. As always, God bless all of you in Jesus' name. Praying for all of y'all. Coke on.